Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickUp automations for recurring tasks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify ClickUp automations for recurring tasks, begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the space where you created your recurring tasks. Locate the task you want to verify automations for. Click on the task to open its details. In the Task Details view, look for the Automations tab located in the right sidebar. Click on the Automations tab to access the automation settings. Review the list of automations that apply to this task. Check the trigger conditions to ensure they are set up correctly for your recurring tasks. Make sure the actions specified in the automation align with your intended workflow. If adjustments are necessary, click on the Edit button to modify any automation. After making changes, save your updates to apply them. To test the automation, create a new instance of the recurring task. Observe if the automations trigger correctly as the task recurs. If the automation does not trigger, return to the automation settings to troubleshoot. Look for common issues, such as disabled triggers or incorrect conditions. Once everything appears correct, repeat the testing process. When the automation functions as intended, you have successfully verified it. Congratulations, you're now equipped to manage ClickUp automations for recurring tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.